Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by creating an Amazon business account using your legal business name and EIN so tax and compliance are correct. Once done, add the primary admin user and a business payment method. This lets you buy immediately while you configure controls. Make sure to set simple approval rules now so purchasing stays under control. Then upload a small test catalog of 520 SKUs to validate listing formats and pricing. This avoids scaling errors later and proves your pipeline. Now optimize product listings and operations so orders flow correctly. You should use Amazon bulk templates to assign GTIN, brand names, and a clear fulfillment type. This ensures discoverability and accurate buy box eligibility. Next, set pricing rules, minimum order quantities, and business-only discounts to match corporate buyers' needs. Then configure fulfillment, FBA or seller fulfilled prime, and map inventory to warehouses. Once mapped, enable automated replenishment so stock levels remain healthy and avoid unplanned outages. To finish, scale while enforcing compliance and automation so growth remains profitable. You must monitor business analytics and ROI per SKU, then expand into higher performing segments. Automate invoicing and tax settings and integrate your accounting system to reduce manual errors. For quality control, standardize packaging and return policies so corporate buyers stay satisfied. If something goes wrong, run quick diagnostics. Check catalog validation errors, suppress listings, and inventory sync issues. Resolving those 3 fixes most problems and restores sales fast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.